Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now today we're working on a Camaro SS. This is a Gen 5 model. These don't have a mounting, so we've created one and I'll show you how it works. So these cars are actually quite hard to put number plates on because it's very pointy and you probably don't want to screw into the bar. And even if you did, it's not a flat surface. So what a lot of people do is bend the plate and they cable tie it to the car, which isn't great. So we've come up with a mounting solution. We've come up with a plinth. Now this is designed to fit exactly into these gills on the grille. It goes in and around, you can put a bolt on. There's absolutely no drilling required. From there, you need to mount up a bracket to suit and then you can put a plate on. But for all you American guys, we've come up with an extra adapter, and what this does, this will space out from the plinth, which bolts onto the car, gives you plenty of room to bolt on your American plates like that, and I'll talk more about this later. So the design of this plinth is actually really smart. The way it works is this. It uses these reference points and there's little cutouts on the grille, and so it sits snug right against it, but you can't get a bolt behind it. So what we've done is we've designed these articulating arms that wraps around this little vein here. So all you could do is hug this up against the grille. It fits perfectly, it doesn't go anywhere. And just rotate these arms around. They move backwards and forwards a little bit. Just wrap it around and it clicks behind. And then you put your bolt in and it pulls everything together, creating a secure fixing without any drilling. Now that you've got the plinth on, it's time to choose the bracket that suits your number plate style. So for example, 5 character, I've got a 5 character bracket that bolts on and your slimline plates will go on. But obviously there's not a lot of space in there. So if you've got a taller plate, say an American plate for example, we've made an adapter that bolts onto there that gives you that extra depth, like that. So you can mount on a American plate or any tall plate. Just got to get the correct bracket to suit, and this is an American plate for you American folks. So if you're running a taller plate, this is the spacer. It just clips on, and then just grab the other bolt and just run it through, and it'll create the extra space that you need. Now it's time to install the bracket. Now this is really easy because the bracket will always have multiple slots and there's multiple mounting points on the plinth. So just align it to where you want it. We'll just go from the middle and then put the bolts in. What that's left to do is to mount the number plate. Now these holes already line up with the holes in the brackets. They bolt straight on. Now we're going to use our optional security screws, which means you need a key to take the plates on and off. Now if you're in Australia and you want to fit slimline plates or any plates, you'll notice there's a big hole here. So what we've done is we've made a custom one-off blanking plate. This goes up to the factory holes, and then we've put holes that matches the plate that you want to go on. In this case, it will be a slimline. That way it can be attached, and then Graham can go and get this painted. So this goes on to the factory clips, but there are 2 missing, so we've recreated those clips. So you can put that in there, and that way it becomes a straight bolt on. What there's left to do is put the plates on. Now we've already pre-threaded holes into it because this is a custom part. So just line it up, put the bolts in, and we're done. So that's how you get number plates on a Camaro SS, whether you're in America, Australia, or anywhere else in the world. This is a no-drill, straight bolt-on solution which you can do at home. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.